Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to explore polymorphism in C++. So let's get started. So what is polymorphism? So let's try to understand this in layman's language first. So polymorphism, if we break down this word, which is equal to poly plus morphs, which means many forms. So polymorphism equal to many forms. So basically anything that exhibits many form in different situation is known as polymorphism. Okay, so let's try to understand it from a real life example. So let's say this is a person. So this person can be a father at different situation, and he can be a husband in different situation. As well, he can be a cricketer in different situation, right? So here same person is exhibiting different functionality at different situations. So he is father, he can be husband as well as a cricketer, right? So this is what polymorphism is. If anything that exhibits different functionality at different situation is known as polymorphism. Now let's take an example of C++ program and try to understand what is polymorphism in C++. So I have written here a program. So class brain booster, which has two functions defined here. So first function is word print and another function is also print, but first function is taking argument as integer and second function is taking argument as a string. Now I have initialized it an object out of this brain booster class. Now I'm calling this print function. So first I called print 5 and then I called print hello brain boosters. Now let's first try to run this program and see the output, and then we will understand it. So output. So see, when we called bb print 5, so it printed value of int x is 5. So basically this function is called, right? Value of int x is 5. So this function is called. Now we called the same function here, also we called print, here also we are calling print. So now we called the same function but with hello brain boosters. So this time this goes and called this function because it is printing value of a string s is hello brain booster, right? So here you see that even though we are calling the same function, but it lends up in two different function defined here, right? So when we called this one print 5, it landed here, and when we call hello brain boosters print function, then it landed here. So you see here that same print function is behaving as two different print function, right? So this is what polymorphism is, right? So same function is exhibiting two different function in two different situation. And what are the two different situation here? The first different situation is we are calling for integer, and the second time we are passing the argument as a string. So this is what polymorphism is in C++. So hope it clears what is polymorphism in C++. Now let's see what are different type of polymorphism available. So polymorphism are of two type. The first one is compile time polymorphism, the second one is runtime polymorphism. Again, compile time polymorphism are of two types, function overloading and operator overloading. And runtime polymorphism are of two types. Function can be done in two ways. The first one is function overriding and the second one is virtual functions. So compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism are two types of polymorphism, and these two are again further divided into these two categories. Okay, so we'll see about this different polymorphism in more details in upcoming videos. Thank you.